Hello folks, Richard Fontaine here. Now, before we get started, I invite you to work with my internet coaches to help build your online income up to $10,000 a month. Now, my coaches are Fergal Downs, Trevor Carr, and Max Gerstenmaier. Very accomplished internet marketers in their own right. And this is a massive opportunity for you folks. So if you're interested, make sure you click that first link in the description below. Now let's get back to my review. You can grab the product in the second link at any time during this video. And when you do, I'll give you 5 exceptional bonuses. The first bonus is in the ebook that explains how you can drive traffic after you purchase a PLR. It shows you how to modify and make it PLR your own using tried and true strategies and techniques. Bonus number 2 shows you how to supercharge your online business with free traffic so that you can make money online. And bonus number 3 shows you how to act as a middleman on Fiverr. And so if you get a high value gig, as an example, you can buy it on Fiverr and then sell it to your buyer at a higher price. Hence, you become the middleman. And bonus number 4 shows you how to create a passive income, and it's a recurring passive income. So that's important, folks. And bonus number 5 shows you how to supercharge your results with an evolutionary system, and letting you earn up to $186 a day in just 3 simple steps. And over and above that, you receive a done-for-you, high-converting website, and then all you have to do is turn on the traffic sources. Now, these are all free with the purchase of this product through my link. In a nutshell, Heal Your Inner Child is a high-quality PLR product that you can brand as your own and reap the rewards. It is good for coaches, course creators, and online marketers. And you can gain full access to fresh, cutting-edge product completely with edible rights. After all, it's private label rights. And you can tap into a massive global audience and dive into an evergreen niche. That niche is really in demand right now. You can rebrand it, revamp it, and sign it as the author. The choice is yours. And you can supercharge your membership site, enrich your blog, or split the content for multiple uses, wherever you want to use it. Now, this product covers a bunch of stuff. It's over, I believe, over 58 pages and over 13,000, pardon me, 13,000 words within the document. Now, it shows you how practicing the inner child healing has transformed many lives, and how it can transform yours as well. It provides 6 simple steps, but powerful ways to identify a childhood trauma, and the one thing that you must do to ensure that you get the best results from your inner child healing efforts. And it provides 5 powerful exercises that you can use right now to connect with your inner child, and 6 simple but powerful techniques you can easily use to heal and soothe your inner child, to prepare it for change. It also provides 8 steps that you need to follow to reparent your inner child, and 7 steps to build the right levels of self-compassion and self-love, and how to rewrite your life story using 6 little known but very powerful steps that will transform your life. Now, there's much more within this material, so make sure you grab it because it will certainly help you and help your clients with their inner child healing. The sales funnel looks like this. The front end is $14.95 to $19.95, depending on when you jump in. And there are 3 upsells. Upsell number 1 is for $37. Upsell number 2 is for $77. And upsell number 3 is for $127. And I believe that these are all videos that you can use. Now, watch for the downsells. You may get less product or a different product, but there are downsells with this product. Now, if you need to know more, click on that second link below and get the full story. And before I go, check out how to earn $10,000 a month in that first link below. And my 5 bonuses, because they will show you how to supercharge your online e-business and get access to a ton of free traffic. They will show you how to buy services from Fiverr and pocket the difference, how to gain reoccurring income online easily, how to earn daily income using 3 simple steps while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system, and how to drive traffic after you purchase a PLR product just like this one. Now, thank you for listening, folks, and we'll see you next time.